Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Techademy. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to change a username on a Discord account. So if in case you have already created a Discord account with a particular username and you would want to change that right now and you did not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Today in this video I'm going to absolutely guide you through the process of changing your name on a Discord account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change a username on a Discord account, first of all what you have to do is go ahead and tap on Discord application, and then you'll be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone. Now what you can do is go ahead and tap on that little logo which is in the bottom right corner, and then go ahead and tap on profile, which is provided in the fourth option. Tap on there, and then here you will be available with a option called display name. So go ahead and tap on your existing display name and then go ahead and erase that and provide them with your new display name. So go ahead and do that, and then go ahead and tap on save, and then it saves. Now go ahead and tap on forward, and then just to make sure, go ahead and tap on profiles one more time, and then here you can see the display name has already been changed into whatever I have changed it to. So that's how we do it. That's how we can easily change a username on a Discord account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.